we are already in the discount zone, and we have this IPA right here. So maybe 15 minutes confirmation entry. Let's see. Let's see 15 minutes. Okay. We even have a double confirmation. I mean, we had this change of character, yeah. I mean, or this rather.
Triple
Yeah.
confirmation.
Like triple confirmation. So we have this internal liquidity here. You see, market has created liquidity that are coming down. We have this as well. And I think we should play this one. Market should mitigate this candle before they move. Yeah, they should mitigate this candle. I mean, this is the 50%. So let's say this should be the move. Should tap inside this IPA. Yes, they should tap inside this IPA. And we can hold 1 to 3 and the rest
Could be daily high.
daily eyes. Yes, maybe first TP 1 to 3 somewhere here.
Then let's also pay attention to the IPA on the daily. If we get 1 to 3 here, I think we can. When you're done, you go back to daily. There's also an IPA on the daily. So I'll just have let's just have eyes on everywhere in case price chooses to.
Yes, exactly. This daily. Already inside the zone, maybe 1 to 3. Then I mean, this candle it engulfed this candle. Wow. Maybe they can still come lower.
Yeah, that's another thing I'm looking at. But that's the closest structural zone to it. So
Yes.
Yes.
The bearish candle took out liquidity also. The last bearish candle before that move took out liquidity.
The last bearish candle, this candle.
Yes. It took out liquidity on the yes. So they might want to come to that place.
Yes. So they might want to play this other block as well. Yes, that's right. So maybe 1 to 3, and if they choose to hold from that zone, but I think they might still come lower. They might still come lower because of this move, this candle. I mean, there are a lot of sellers here. So let's just keep an eye
and manage our trade.
Yes. Manage the trade. Okay, 75. 75 is approaching entry.
Please, that 1,000. How many pips stop loss?
Mr. Solomon, welcome to the call.
Oh, it's even too much. 43. I mean,
Lucia, welcome to the call.
I wouldn't play this from 1,000. Stop loss is too wide.
50%. Let's use 50% of that IPA.
Yes. Okay. Yes. 50% of the IPA, maybe.
Let me send this to the group. There's something on 5. They'll go to 5 minutes. Let's see.
Maybe something like this, 1 to 3. Yeah, they can play this. They can play this. So 10S. Let's check 10S. Let's start from the daily. This 10S now, wow.
10S has just been misbehaving.
The one that is not clear, we trade what we see. The one that is not clear, we just leave. We leave the trade.
Exactly. mitigated this candle, sold, came inside, tapped this IPA again, didn't come for the 50, sold. I mean, it's just creating this liquidity, man.
Okay.
I think they should come for this liquidity. I think we are bearish and they should come for this liquidity.
Yeah, that's what I marked. But
We
let's
also have to
sorry,
follow that.
can you check the Telegram channel?
Okay. There is no way I can check while I'm sharing my.
No problem. I sent 75 to the Telegram channel. Let's just see whether I'll keep an eye on that.
Okay, you said 75.
I saw an IPA on 10 minutes, so just to reduce the stop loss. Just to reduce the stop loss. So not much.
This IPA.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, you now reduce
Yeah,
the stop loss.
that's fine. It should reduce. Yeah, this is fine. Do I play the open on the 50? Let me play the open.
It's the open also marked, so I think it should give us some reduced.
Wow, just 2.4, 2.4 pips.
So that shouldn't be that much. Even if you put to that high, that shouldn't be that much. If you play the other high, I think
the
other high
is about 5.8. It's okay. It's actually very
that's okay.
Down
so I
to
think
this.
that let's keep an eye now.
Yeah, this is very good. Keep an eye.
Liquidity.
50. So 10 is, I don't know what this one is doing yet, though. Maybe they'll come for liquidity. I mean, liquidity is everywhere. Just building liquidity. Let's just see.
What I'm anticipating us to go down from where we are currently.
We should go down because of this.
Yes.
There is equal load there also.
I think I sent that to the general group before. We should go down from there. So it's just to look for if we can get any entry. And considering yesterday's candle closed bearish, we should just get an entry to go lower. So help us look for entry on lower time frame. Let's see. Yeah, I sent this out and it played. Only that I sent it to general group now.
I mean, this liquidity has to go. It's a lot.
You saw that IPA, that price played.
Okay, up there.
Yes.
So this.
Yes.
This was the break of structure. Yeah. So yeah, I came for
double confirmation.
Beautiful. We'll get entry.
Wow.
The entry is on. Keep working it. It's on 15 minutes.
Slow. Looking for this IPA again. I mean, let's take 15 minutes. Yeah.
The entry.
I know we are coming. Yes, this IPA.
Very, very neat.
I mean, this liquidity has to go. Then tap into this IPA or this other block here. I mean, it's okay.
Check out the IPA above. The IPA inside that IPA. Inside the first IPA that was played. Yes, that IPA around there.
This?
No, up, above the second box.
No, come down. The second IPA box. Yes, that zone, that place. There's an IP inside there.
This
50
one?
minutes now. Yeah. Yes, that's the place I'm looking at. Let those wicks go out, and then you can have that, because that's the top range.
Okay.
Is this top range? Yeah.
Yes, that should play better.
Yes.
That's
This
around
is
10
weak.
piece.
And the stop loss is minimum. The stop loss is not big.
Stop loss is about
10 piece.
10 piece. Yes. I mean, it's just too old to capture all this liquidity below.
So that second liquidity should get like 1 to 8.
Yes, 1 to 8 for this liquidity.
Yeah, so that second liquidity, that's fine. To get that for today, that'll be beautiful.
Let me save this. 10s. I mean, these are nice setups. So. Very nice setups. Yes. Let's go.
Please, what are you saying on B1000?
B1000.
Yes, sir.
We did a buy for B1000, maybe for 1 to 3. We're still anticipating price might probably come lower, but from this IPA here, I mean the middle of the IPA, 50% of the IPA here, we can just go for 1 to 3. Because I still feel price might want to go
currently
lower.
I'm on this sell, and I want to take my profit at the IP that you back before
so
going
you are selling?
on. Yes, sir. Based on the daily candle, I saw bearish engulfing.
Yeah, that's
on
fine.
Daily, so I capitalize on the sell.
Oh, okay. That's nice. I mean, so you took this whole candle?
Yes, this bearish engulfing. So I know probably this current candle will be sell. So I've been selling all through.
Yeah, you should still sell. I mean, it's engulfed this whole candle here, so I believe it should still come lower. I mean, at least to this other block here. So I mean, that's fine. That's very fine. 100S. Let's start with the daily. So are we bullish or are we bearish? Have this low. Okay, I think
that's fine. So you can just
bullish. We've come for this internal liquidity here.
this 101S. The way we miss this 101S, it just refused to give us entry. It just kept popping up. Just refused to give entry. We marked this out now, but price refused to give entry.
Yes. We marked. Yes, I can remember. We marked it out.
We spoke about it, but price did this thing, tapped out and ran away. If you look at the 15 minutes beautiful play to that given to us, but price did this mad.
It just keeps going up. Let me check on our time frame. So maybe if we break this new high, have some sweep here. So once we get this new high, can we an IPA? Just tiny IPA. Maybe if price can come back here. I don't know. But it's looking like he doesn't want to come. He's just doing its own.
Why didn't price tap into this IPA before breaking this other high? Why?
Yes.
Because that's the normal thing. Because if you look to the left, price has broken 2 structural points. On returning, it's supposed to return to that fair value gap. December wahala.
Exactly. We are already nearing the end of the year, so they always do their thing. But I don't see anything here yet. Maybe we'll capture this liquidity, but let's see if we can get 15 minutes.
But if price, if price didn't capture the high and price returns back, then we should look towards the IPA below. There's an IPA below.
Yes.
Just zoom it together, pitch it together. Yeah, still on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour.
Okay, that's if price doesn't capture the liquidity, right?
Yeah, if price didn't capture the high and price starts returning, then can you come lower? Check lower. To the left. To the left. To the okay, yeah, that IP. Yes, where your cursor is, that IP. No,
yes.
To the left. Good, exactly that place. If price didn't capture the high and price returns back, price will come back here.
Yeah, that is true. That is true.
Every other one has liquidity. They will not use those ones as liquidity.
Yes.
Don't know why.
But if this is captured, that means this is
price
invalid
has
already.
gone. Yeah.
Yes. But maybe we won't take out there.
Price has not returned to that place, so at all.
Once if price takes the high, then we are gone.
If price takes there, yes. I mean, we should look to sell like this. This is a break of structure because why this? I consider this as a POS. And if we take out this liquidity here and sell down like this.
To that IPA.
Yes. But if they capture this high, I don't think
that one you consider BOS was not really the low. That's not the low.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
This.
That's the low.
That's
the low.
True.
Yes.
This is the low. This is the
they
low.
might
not the BOS.
That's true. That's true.
Everybody had closed below that place.
Yes.
But price is so close to this top liquidity, price shouldn't come lower.
I don't think so. Maybe that was why I was looking at 15 minutes to see what they want to do. Is there an IP on 15 minutes?
Price left it already. Okay. Yeah, there is. There's 15 minutes IP.
Yeah, I mean, we came for this year. Right, and this should be our UI. Maybe something like this. If they come back.
Yeah. Yeah, if they come back, that would be the best play.
Yeah. There is one below. There is one below that place.
No, that doesn't matter.
Okay.
Because they played this
the high on 15 minutes has been captured, so price will
Yes,
come back.
exactly. This is a new range already.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe this. Let's see how they want to play it.
The most important thing is management, trade management, consistent.
Yeah. So help us send that too, so that.
Yes, I've saved it. And wait, once I drop the call, I will send all trade ideas.
Okay.
Um, 51S. Let's see.
You are bearish. You saw that price had taken that low, so it was next good. We waited for accumulation.
We're looking for a reaccumulation for a buy. Yeah, I mean after this liquidity was captured. Okay, that happened already. Prices, we are bearish. I think we are bearish.
Yeah, we are.
We swept some kind of liquidity here. And we close below. So let's see 15 minutes. We can get some kind of reaccumulation to create the lower high. Not valid yet. I mean, they swept all this low.
Yeah, they have not broken yet.
But they did not break exactly. You see how they took out all those liquidity, but they did not break this high. So maybe if they break this high, we can look for some buy around here. But they haven't. So no trade idea yet for me here. Let me check another. Okay, step. Wow. Wow. All right. I think this is a valid break of structure. So I consider this as my BOS here. That's a break of structure there. We have this IPA just sitting down here. So I mean, I would like to see some kind of reaccumulation in this IPA before we can buy back to this high. Right. Hopefully this will hold. This should hold. Let's see 1 hour time frame. Maybe we can sell, keep selling.
But this sell was very, very beautiful. The step index sell was very beautiful.
The sell is neat. It's clean.
Selling like no man business.
Selling.
Wow.
That is I just created this liquidity. It's confirmed they will probably come back for they're coming for this low right here. They should come for this low. You didn't choose this IPA. Just stop. Let's check M30. Oh, they already played this IPA, yeah. I mean, this is the structure. Oh, sorry. That is low. Or high. Or low. So, potential high. Then, you should come for this liquidity. Don't see any
Yeah, they
entry
will.
yet because they already
They
played
will.
this IPA. In fact, it's not an IPA, yeah. They'll keep selling anyway, but I'll probably be waiting for the buy just at that IPA, yeah. Oh, this sell is neat.
It was so neat when I saw it. If you look at the
Ah,
wick, the way they
it
wick
kept
out on, I think on 10 minutes or so.
this is very neat sell. Wow. I've missed his tactic, so okay, let me just go back to the daily. Let me just send the daily markup because the buy is looking good for me. Okay. I want to keep an eye on all these wonderful assets. Hey, this guy is okay. Whatever. Let's do crash 500. Yeah, crash 500. I mean, we're very bearish on crash 500.
So how we're taking out. If we had not waited for accumulation, that drop
We was looking,
would
I
have
think we're looking
blown. To buy
looking
from
to
that cube, yes.
this cube here. I think it's now going to be a flip zone. Market should try to come back here. Something like this. That's what I'm projecting now. Because we are bearish, we have this swap liquidity, then they broke this low. So maybe this other block, this breaker block rather, come back here. We can come back and dump something like this. What do you think, sir?
Yeah, there's an IP on 1 hour, sorry, on 4 hours.
H4, H4.
Yeah, there's an IP on
H4.
H4.
Yes.
Let's
So
check
price should
H4.
take that's where I'm looking at.
Oh, nice. This IPA.
Yeah. So we should take
Right.
the internal liquidity there and then.
This is the internal liquidity, yeah, right here. So it's good. Let's see if we can get the buy. Is there a confirmation for the buy? There's a new for account. Let's see if there's a confirmation on the buy. I don't think there's a confirmation yet though. They will still come back for this low. No confirmation yet for the buy, so we'll just wait for that IPA. That is very good. This is good. This is good. It is. Okay. Wow. Open how many tabs now? Please, I on 75. Oh, it's approaching our entry. Okay, let's do can they come for this liquidity? Okay. What is boom 500? Okay. Boom 500. So we are bullish. We are bullish on boom 500. We broke this low. Do reaccumulate. What are your thoughts on boom 500?
I'm actually expecting price to keep buying from where we are currently.
Price should what?
I'm expecting price to keep buying from where we are currently.
What happened?
There's an IPO on weekly there.
Sorry.
Where?
That side, the place price is now. There's an IPO on weekly time frame.
Yeah, price has tapped into it already now.
Yes, and it has given us H4 breakup structure.
So I'm expecting price coming to either the H4 cube or we'll keep buying.
It should not leave us, so we should come back up.
Okay. There's first came inside an IPA here. Type this IPA, and I can see this breakout structure already here. So this cube, yeah. Is it this cube you are talking about, sir?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the cube I'm looking at.
Yes. So yeah.
15 minute confirmation from that.
Open up the cube. We need confirmation. I mean, after confirmation, can capture this eye right here. That's B5. Nice. Is it? Did you say there was an IP on the weekly around this zone too?
Yes, that place, exactly that place.
No, the IP has been filled. That's the IP we're talking about, the one that's been filled already.
Yes. That's where the price is now. All this H4 something now. They are inside that OPIP.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So, this should hold then.
But if price had taken this low, would have made a lot of sense. But since a cube is on, is there any fair value gap on that cube on a lower time frame?
I think was it H1? H1 or let's check H1.
No. Okay, check if there's any fair value gap. Or
down below it. Yes, down below this thing. Below the liquidity there. So I don't know. Maybe
I can see this IPA inside that zone.
Is that H1?
No, this is M30.
Okay,
That's
M30.
inside that zone. Maybe.
Because if you have a smart money queue and there's IPA, that makes it more valid. It's an IPA on a lower time frame.
Yeah. Okay, let's check. That's 1,000. I think it would be bearish or bullish. Currently, I think price needs to capture this high. Because I think we're bullish currently. Market has tagged. Price has tagged this target. Current and liquidity. Yes, it tagged it. Yeah, it tagged it. Let's see if we reaccumulated on 1 hour. I think they did. Looks like they did. It broke structure here. Broke structure, and they came for this internal liquidity.
Weary.
Yes, I bought from there and target the next high.
Like
Next high.
seriously? That's
Yes, sir.
interesting.
I
Wow,
sent it to the
nice.
group.
That's interesting.
Yeah. Wow, maybe if they come back to.
But that stop loss piece was a bit high, 33. Yeah, not too far. That was okay.
Let me play this. Wow, about 33 years. Okay. I targeted the high. Maybe 1 to 3. Let's do 1 to 3. So that's good. Did 1 to 3. And I think they should go for the daily high. So maybe if they come back to this. These are new range. This low. This high. This high. This just internal liquidity. I don't know if they will come back here.
Come back where? So all of that IP, that favor, they will come. That's the only place they should come to.
Yes,
Because
yes.
price is acting from an IPA up there.
You should take out this liquidity.
Yeah. So they cannot
So
buy to
maybe,
that daily PO.
yeah. Let's see. So it's not ready yet. Not ready yet. I mean, this was the old move that took out the liquidity. So it should come back. It's not ready.
Yeah.
$75s. Let's see. What's this guy doing? Looking for this IP and broke structure. Is this some form of reaccumulation? Capture this. Is it captured? No, it wasn't captured. So this is just liquidity. You should come for this liquidity. If you can start to capture this liquidity, yeah. Broke structure, yeah. Right. Maybe from inside this IPA.
Are you looking to sell?
Yes, because of this liquidity right here. So I'm looking to sell.
Okay.
We need to capture this liquidity here. So, and there was a break of structure around this zone. This was the last. Let's see. Before the break of structure. Okay. And I can start this break. Yeah, this is a breakout block here. Maybe inside this, let's say this one. In this zone. Then we can sell from maybe if we get a confirmation from here or here, and sell down to this, capture this liquidity. I know this liquidity has to go. Yeah, that's 75
But I think
S.
the bullish move will hold better. Buying from that liquidity to capture the high.
This liquidity can capture the high.
Yeah, if we take that double bottom there, we should capture the overall high. Since the high has been captured, the previous high.
Yeah, yes, we are bullish actually. Yes, we are bullish because they feel this IPA and it's broke structure.
Yeah, so but right now what price should do, price need to sell down. So if we get that sell, beautiful, price need to sell down so that we'll capture that liquidity and then we go higher.
Yes. Capture the liquidity. Yes, exactly, sir. Exactly, sir. Same view. Same view. Let's see what they do inside this IPA. Maybe something like this. After they capture. Oh, sorry. After they capture the liquidity, then it can go higher. Okay. Wow. So we looked at almost all of the assets.
Yeah.
Any other one you'd like us to look at? This is a lot already to keep an eye on. Because I want to send this to the group.
Yeah, I think we've majorly covered though. Let me see if I can even join. I just wanted to explain. I just wanted to show something so that we can pay attention to these kind of moves. We're already 45 minutes into the call. It's okay. We're so few today in the call. What happened? Mr. Samene, welcome back. Okay. Yes, my screen is then, all right?
Yes, we can see your screen. Good evening, sir.
All right, good evening, Mr. Samene. Welcome. How's family now?
Fine, sir. Happy Sunday, sir.
Mr. Tango, same to you. Mr. Olas was trying to teach us demand and supply zone. Though he has not completed the teaching, he's still going to come back to do it. But you can see how price has been playing demand and supply, and that's why we have been missing most of the trades. Okay, so I want to start with this VIX 25. Let me just show something. When price broke this structure, we all expect that price will come here and tap, right? We remember we had all this markup. Price actually came in as we analyzed. Price came into this zone. Now, the reason price came into this zone is because this zone was a demand zone. It was clearly a demand zone, so price needed to respect that. Now, we came to the daily. This is what price did. Price gave us this break of structure. Now we expected two things to happen. Price should come back to this bearish candle. But you can see there was a fair value gap here. And price played here. Why did price play here? Because it was a demand zone. Okay. Previous resistance, support, some resistance. You saw how that price kept pushing here. When price came at resistance, price broke, came back, and so price went higher, broke this structural zone. We expected two things: that price come back to this last block, or just a cube here. Price, we also expected price to come into. So you see price played here and left. Price didn't come back to this second fair value gap. Why did price play here? This was a zone. Are you seeing it now? It was a demand zone. So how that price, that place held price for a lot of rejections. So when price broke, it became a demand zone. It has been a supply zone all along. So that becomes a structural shift. Now this is the one I sent out. I wanted to catch. Price gave this BMS here, and then price played this zone. If I'm going to go to 4 hours, you see price played here. There was also a fair value gap here. Price didn't play. Price played here because this was, you see, it was a demand zone, structural zone. Previous resistance came and became a support. So let's go to 4 hours. Okay, you see 4 hours. When price broke here, we were waiting at this zone. See that fair value gap? That's what we're waiting for. Because by smart money, we want to only play at the discount zone, which was this high to this high. So we're expecting, okay, maybe discount 786, 681, all these things we cram. But this was already a discount for price. And since it was a good demand zone means support and resistance. It's the same thing. Previous resistance. You saw how the price came here. Price couldn't break. Price came lower. Price went again. Price sold. When price broke, price came back. Here became constant resistance. So when price was able to break above it, price needed to come and find some rest there as a support for price to go higher. So now that price has broken this high, since we are still bullish, we have two fair value gaps here. Take note, two. That's one. This is two. Expect that if price is coming to play this. Now, why am I saying, why am I drawing our attention to this? Though Mr. Ola, I think is the way. Is it 3 I'm seeing here? Okay. Yes, another one here. All right, thank you. So why am I saying this? I'm saying this to say that you cannot really tell what price will do, so it's good to keep eye on.
I don't see your screen, sir. Okay.
Oh, hello, sorry, please. A call came in. Hello, guys, can you still hear me? Hello, can you hear
Yes,
me?
We can hear you, sir. We can hear you. We can hear you, sir.
All right, sorry. A call came in. I needed to.
But your screen is not showing.
Yeah, I'm back on the screen now. So why am I'm saying this to let us know that while we are fixing our attention on a very deep retracement, sometimes price wouldn't give us that. Okay, so smart money is not going to say because you are expecting they had always been playing the, last fair value gap or the other block, and they see a support zone to take off. They wouldn't do that. You saw how I sent this to the group. I wanted to play this, but price just ran away. Okay, but it was later I sat down. I started finding out why do we keep missing price? What's the challenge? Is it that what we are teaching is no longer working, or smart money has devised another way to make smart money not to work? I don't know. So, all right, look at this place now. When price gave all that move, look at price left a fair value gap here. So we're going to be waiting for price to come in. Well, price broke, rested on this fair value gap. I said that price rested here. Why did price have to rest here? It was a demand zone. You don't need to look too far. Look at it. It was a demand zone, right? You can see all the rejections at this zone. So as price give us break of structure 1, break of structure 2, you are expecting price to come to this zone. Price find another demand zone with a fair value gap, filled it, and that was all. I'm sure if we go to a lower time frame, you might find maybe 15 minutes around here. I think so. I don't know. But that's just what I've observed and I felt I should share with us. Okay? price broke this, 1, 2, and then we expect price here, but price found another clean zone here, rested on it, and price moved. Don't need to look too far to get it. Price move. So while you are trading, just pay attention to all this zone. If you see a break of structure for trend continuation in that zone, why not? So I'm expecting that now that price has given us all of this break, the price should return maybe around this zone or this zone, and you see a break of structure on your 5 minutes, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is fine, you can just play. Okay. Yeah, I think I'll just end the call here so that we can ask questions. Mama Jelly Pat, you're welcome. Happy Sunday. Yeah, Mr. Bolu, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the call tonight. You did great. Barry Kuma, welcome.
Please stop the call. Recorded.
Sorry? The call was recorded halfway. So just watch it. I'll send it now. Watch it so that you can have some idea for the week.